I have problem with my phone. When I turn on, you will see what the problem is. Okay, see, it's already on now. This phone is on, but no display. This is the problem. No display in the screen. The light indicator is on, you see, blinking, but it's no display anything in this screen. Okay, we try, but no display, just sound coming out. Okay, I will fix it. It's simple. You just need a screwdriver, a lighter, yes, a lighter, plastic clip. Okay, this is simple fix way. Already open. Remove the battery, also the SIM card. Okay, I will unscrew all the bolts in the cover of machine. Now open the plastic cover carefully. Okay, one by one, side by side. Go to the up. Okay, another one. Okay, see, this green is motherboard, the machine. The phone engine is here. Okay, see, we need to unplug all the socket. There is a 4 socket. Okay, one, this the hook, 2, another one. We need screwdriver. It's very small. Okay, 3, and the last one. Good. Next, we remove the motherboard from the phone. In this step, you must take this motherboard very slowly. Take care. No need to be rushed. Okay. Instead, you will break the machine. Now, I will show you what the problem is. The problem is in MMC. Why the phone is no display in the screen? Because the MMC not working properly. The black zone here, I pointing here, is the MMC of phone. How to fix? Just need lighter. We need to hit only to hit. Just hit the MMC Very simple. Here I use lighter, no need heat gun. Okay, very fast. But remember, when you hit, keep distancing between the fire and the MMC. Don't direct fire to MMC. You just need little bit hot. Okay, hit little bit. See, carefully. Okay. I think this is enough. Already enough. Okay, it's hot. Okay, enough. It's enough. No need to be hot. Too hot. No need too hot. We just need a little bit only. Okay. Waiting for this MMC become cold, and then we will put again. Okay, I think it's already cold. Okay, it's cold right now. It's cold. Great. And okay, this is simple but high risk if you not take care in this step. We install again to the phone the motherboard. We just hit. How to fix the display? No display phone, just hit the MMC. This is my way. Okay, I use a lighter, no heat gun. Plug back the socket one by one. Okay, it's stuck here. Okay, plug it. Good. Put the cover, plastic cover for the machine motherboard. Make sure properly. Then you screw in all the bolts. Done. Okay, great. Okay, we turn on it. We will see. Oh man, how great is this? It's working. Very nice. Just a lighter. Just need a lighter. Good man. We fixed this spawn. with hit in the MMC circuit. Very nice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share to your friend. See, it's working right now. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.